my name is Ellie and I'm based in the UK. I bought my first pizza oven, the Ooni 3, in 2017 with no previous pizza cooking experience or skills. I've developed these skills over the last few years on this channel using high heat outdoor pizza ovens. I now share my tips and provide reviews on the pizza ovens that I own, the pizza cooking tools I use, and how I make pizza dough. And today I'm going to be comparing the Ooni Karu 12 to the Ooni Karu 16. Let's start with the similarities between the Karu 12 and the Karu 16. Both of these ovens use wood and gas as a fuel. The gas burners are purchased separately. The gas burners of both these ovens are similar. The Ooni Karu 16's is black and the Ooni Karu 12's is silver, and at the beginning I couldn't tell a difference between the two, and I did actually use the wrong burner in the Karu 16. Both of these burners fit the other oven. The Karu 16 gas burner is bigger and the 12 gas burner, as you would expect, is smaller, and therefore it would take a lot longer to heat up the Karu 16 using the gas 12 burner, as I found out. The original Ooni gas burner can still be used in the Karu 12. The reason why I like using the original gas burner in the Karu 12 is because I can use the oven without a chimney, and I'll come on to that a bit later. Both of these ovens have really nice thick pizza stones, and that's a good thing because it absorbs the heat better. This is particularly useful if you are going to be cooking more than one pizza in the oven one after the other. The oven will retain the heat from your previous cook very well, so you don't have to keep heating the oven up for a long time in between cooks. Both of these pizza ovens have a door. The Ooni Karu 16 has a glass door, which is great because you can see the pizza cooking through it. With the Karu 12, it comes with a solid metal door which you can't see through. However, I don't cook personally with the door on. I have enough heat in the oven to cook the pizza quickly, and I have enough big flames so that I don't need to keep the door on during the very short time cook period. So the Ooni Karu 12, it does cook well with the door off, but you do have the option of cooking with the door on if that's what you prefer. The glass door on the Ooni Karu 16 is very easy to maintain. The glass is clear during the cooks and I'm really happy with it. Both of these ovens are easy to clean. The wood fire will burn off most of your debris from your pizza stone, so you never have to worry about any accumulation of dirt or debris on your stone. You just turn them over when they're cool at the end of the pizza day, ready for the next cook. Both of these ovens are designed to be portable. You can remove the stones inside them so that they are lighter to carry. The 3 legs fold up, making them easy to store in smaller spaces. But there are differences between these two ovens. There's a very obvious one, and that is that they are different sizes, so they have a different weight. The Ooni Karu 12 cooks pizza up to 12 inches, and the Ooni Karu 16 cooks pizza up to 16 inches. And because the Karu 16 is larger, it is also heavier. So the Karu 12 is always going to be easier to carry around, it's smaller to store, and the Karu 16 is always going to be the heavier one, and it is heavy. However, I can still manage to carry that size oven, only without the pizza stone in it. The door is always on. You have to unscrew the door for it to come off, so I also have to carry it with the weight of the door. With the Ooni Karu 12, the door comes off, so you don't have to carry that weight. The Ooni Karu 12 grate compared to the Ooni Karu 16 Grate. It's really interesting putting them together, the difference in size. So I'll put them one into the other and you can see the difference in the grate. Because they are so similar in the way that they cook pizza, other than the size, I'm going to find it difficult to give a clear favourite here. However, with the 12, I do enjoy cooking with the door off and using the wood-fired grate, as well as the gas-fired oven, and I particularly like using the original Ooni gas burner in the Karu 12 because I don't have to use the chimney. With the new gas burners for these pizza ovens, you do need to use the chimney. For me, it's a personal thing. I would like to have the option of using the same oven with or without the chimney. So overall, both of these pizza ovens cook really well, both the gas and the wood burners. The Karu 16 has got more of a black outer shell and the Karu 12 has got the nice metal shell, but they're both very strong and sturdy and easy to clean. So if you're looking for a wood-fired pizza oven that also cooks with gas, then these multi-fueled ovens are a great option. But if you are looking for gas-only pizza ovens, check out the Ooni Karu 16 and the Ooni Karu 12. I hope you found this video useful. Please like, please subscribe if you enjoyed it for more of these types of videos. Please check out my other content on this channel. Take care, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.